Hey, what up, chat? Welcome to the stream. There's some selling for you. How about that? Damn. Nice move. Almost 100 points there off the opening bell. Don't worry, guys. I got a Jizu down here. Green zone of opportunity. It's a rough zone. So let's see if we get a bounce out of here. Sorry, I'm a little late. I had to take Chester out. He likes to take his sweet ass time dropping a turd. So yeah. What's up, Wookie, Jacob? There's someone above there I can't see. Bam Man, what up? Arnesis, how you doing? Tyler, Beatsville, Miguel, Tom, Mike, Eddie, Lupac, Grizz, Jacob, G-Man, Tyler, Trent, Soleno, what's going on? Evan, CYB, what's going on? Brandon, good morning. All right. How y'all doing? We hit the Jizu, guys. We hit the Jizu. Do not worry, the Jizu has been hit. Sounds good, Soleno. G-Man says, yo, guys, please like the stream. Like. Eddie, profit score number 6 for his Tick Trader 10 accounts. That's a fat payout if you can get all the way up to, what, 7 now? Damn, Eddie, you're cooking. Love to see it. I think I'm about to get some more Tick accounts. One day to go, then I'm supposed to be moved live after this payout. Damn, dude. That's sick, dude. Very cool. Very cool. I got my Tick payout yesterday, so that's something. I'm gonna reload with 10 and do it again and get 10 across the finish line this time. Does Gorilla Prop have daily payouts? Oh, we will, don't worry. Gorilla Prop. Joan prop firm. No, it's just jokes, man. I don't have a prop firm. Prop firm Gorilla is my site to compare plans from 19 different prop firms. It's freaking sick, bro. This slick ass. Look at that divergence there on ESNK. I'd be interested in trading this. I just gotta get settled away here. Just gotta make sure my trade copier is working and whatnot. My zones have been working really great, and I haven't really been taking trades off of them, so I would like to change that. All right, looks like trade copier is working. All right, I'm gonna try it here. Could be a little early, we'll see. Come on, baby. Move on out. Move out of here. I might be ready to flatten here. All right, I'm out. Little paper cut. Have you ever heard of funded seat? Is that futures or is that CFDs? Very laggy. Is my internet bad? I don't know. Could be me. Futures? Yeah, I don't trust this. I don't know. Nope, stream is good. Okay, good. Real quick, I'll be right back. You got stopped out to the tick and now it's dumping where you're short. Damn, the market maker saw my stop. All right, Soleno, thanks for stopping by. See you later. So I passed, my take profit traders. For some reason, like, I still had like 100K active from before that failed, and so I canceled it, but it's only still letting me have like 4 of my 5 50Ks. I don't know. I think Take Profit is just kind of like slow with all their stuff, like their back end and getting accounts active. It's all very slow, I think. Anyways, I don't know. Just 4 right now seem to be active, so we'll see. Try the long again here. I like the higher low there on ES. As long as it doesn't reject VWAP. What up, Jake? Pranav, what up? What's a realistic time frame for getting a payout? I'm at it for a month now. That's not realistic. Yes. Your expectations are unrealistic, my friend. Rejected VWAP there. That's not what I wanted to see at all. Come on, bounce. Maybe I shouldn't be looking for longs here after that large amount of selling. I just like the divergence there on ES. I'm hoping that NASDAQ finds support here in my green zone of opportunity here. Do you have overnight lows not too far away, so maybe we're getting that soup of that first. So I'll go ahead and stop out on new lows there. This is half size. I'm trading 5 micros here. Just letting me try it a few times. Just getting my tick account set up. Setting my PDL, my personal daily loss limit, PDLL. I set on all 10 accounts to protect me from myself. Okay. Nice job, Kevin. Get that payout, son. Get it. You may say trend changes mostly on new candles. Hey, man. When I'm trading the 1 minute, there's a lot of new candles. There's a knife down through overnight lows into 600 here. My green zone of opportunity has failed me. All right, let's see. Let's see if this holds here. This downtrend. We could have a nice move. Could be a quick 100-point drop. Another 100-point drop. You know, we already moved, what, 150, 185 points? Wow. All right. The market, you know, ES is still green on the day here. $600. What are we gonna do at 600? What are we doing here? What's up, buddy? Gabagool, what's up? Feeling distressed. Would you say Tradeify or Lucid straight to fund is cheaper, better? Have you been paid by Lucid yet? I have not been paid by Lucid. Just compare them on Profit Gorilla. Just load up the straight to funded one that you want. Compare them really easily. Lucid Direct, 50K. Tradeify, 50K. Compare. Go to the funded rules. You can see them side by side. See which one you really like. Still swing options a little bit here and there. I'm in some cute calls. Bought them a couple days ago. Yeah, we talked about the one-day payout yesterday. Yep, on MFFE, or the daily payouts. Intraday trailing drawdown was funded, kind of like Take Profit Trader. There's a large order there at 52, sorry, 827 lots at 82s there. See if we get that quick move to 500. Could happen here. That's 600 again, maybe. Is there a chance I would have taken that ES trade if you were trading it? I usually prefer trading NASDAQ. Even when something seems better on ES, a lot of times I'm like, well, NASDAQ actually would have been better. So here's a retest of 600 here. Let's see if we get more selling. Because it gave a deeper pullback. Yeah. The thing is, in this situation, you know, I'm looking for the short. NASDAQ has relative weakness. So in that case, you know, I would rather short NASDAQ. because it's probably going to move better when we get that. When ES gives way, NASDAQ, the relatively weak one, should give way even better, right? So, I don't know. I'll probably just stick with NAS. $600 here. Maybe a little bounce. Funded Next just got awarded Prop Firm of the Year by themselves. Big congrats to them. It's a gift from me to me. Must be nice. That's interesting that they just won an award for Best Prop Firm, because I just won an award for Best Live Stream. Awarded by the Daniel Linsky Foundation. I'm honored to accept this award on behalf of Daniel Linsky's everywhere. There's at least 2 of us. I'm gonna try a short. Eddie just got awarded Livestream Mod of the Year by the Moderators Foundation. What an honor. Wow. And who all runs that Moderators Foundation? Is that you and your mom? New lows, new lows. Come on, baby. Take one off there. It's me and my 2 cats. It's 5 micros. Dug myself a hole yesterday on my Fun Features account, so I gotta dig myself out. Joey just passed 5 Apex evals. Thoughts on Apex? Well, there's definitely better firms out there. You're not going to be able to trade 20 accounts, but, you know, with the trade copiers available these days, you know, you could trade 5. Like, I have 5 my funded futures. I have 5 take profit traders. I have 10 tick ticks now. So I have 20 accounts between them, all the firms. So I don't necessarily, I don't need the ability to, copy trade that many accounts. Take another off here. Let's just kind of take a little bit here. I'll try to get a little bit out of this. Right now I'm using Trade Syncer, cloud-based trade copier. It's worked well. You got to be careful with it. You got to monitor the accounts on the platform, even if you don't want to trade on the platform. You got to be monitoring it so you don't get screwed over. But generally speaking, it's worked well. I'm coming with a video, probably Friday maybe, about prop firms, and also I'll talk about using trade copier a little bit. All right, back to my entry here. I don't want to take a loss, so just above 600 there. So see if that 600 can hold again. Keep me in this thing. Your buddy blew 17 Apex PA accounts this morning. Oof, yeah, that hurts. Because those evaluation fees are kind of steep. Sorry, I mean not the activation fee. That's what I'm trying to think. Legends is having a flash sale, 90% off apprentice plans. The apprentice plan, 90% off. I think it's code Gorilla if you're interested in Legends. All right, out of that trade, small winner because I took off a couple contracts. But good entry. Looking for that follow through after we had a little bounce there. I think it was to a low volume node on ES, and I grabbed that short. So would have loved to follow through there down lower, but oh well. So now let's see if we can maybe get out of here a little bit. 5 minutes gonna continue looking bearish until we engulf this large candle, I believe. I swear you could develop a whole strategy about just around. It's like, like fib traders, I guess, but like looking for a large move, getting 50% of that move, and using that as a pullback for continuation. So this 50% retracement here with a 5-minute candle, if you just have like a limit order sitting there and go for the lows, that's 41 points. Like you can have a whole strategy just around that. Be very simple. What's your strat? Follow the momentum? Sometimes. I mean, in this case, I was trying to buy. I had my Crayola drawing here. It didn't work out. But I was looking for longs off of it. So that was counter trend. Then other times, just give into the trend. Kind of go with price action there. So, pivot point, overnight low. Right, that's the pivot, right? Is that what that white line is? Yeah, pivot. Overnight low test there. I mean, I wouldn't mind seeing us recover some of this drop. So far, the entire range for the session is 213.5 points. Large range to work with. So let's hope we don't just chop around. Can we go down some more here, Chen? Let's see here. Eddie's here. He's just working and trading. Money, what up? Well, how you guys doing so far this morning? Sounds like a lot of you are shorting. You know, if you didn't catch this move, please don't get FOMO by any reason, or there's no reason to feel FOMO with this drop. I don't really trade the open very often, so I don't feel any type of way about it. Let's just look for the next setup. We get more continuation now. Still bearish, like I mentioned on the 5-minute. Still bearish until we engulf, recapture that area. You got top tech, Grizz. Sorry to hear it, man. Before, look, sorry it didn't go well, but I was thinking like this morning, I was like, man, I should trade more like Grizz, where you just, like, I got in trouble yesterday sticking around the charts, and I was like, man, I should just trade the open with some momentum and just be done early. And honestly, to be honest, it's harder for me to do on stream to trade like really momentum scalping like that. If you're not careful, it can look pretty sloppy, and then got a lot of eyes watching you and stuff. Sometimes it requires, the way I do it, at least, sometimes it requires just trying multiple times, protecting yourself really fast. So I think appearance-wise, it could look a type of way. So I find it harder to do on stream. But oftentimes I'm like, man, Grizz made his bag and went to the gym, and here I am getting F'd by the market, chopping around. Like, what am I doing, Because I was like too patient, waiting for something. So all right, we might be on our way up. I hope it's not just chop. I hope we get some decent moves here. Right at overnight lows in the pivot here on NASDAQ. ES under VWAP. Excuse me. It's worth noting VIX spiked up pretty nicely there. Now it's well off of its the spike highs. It's back around its pre-market lows here. I think we move higher, but let's see. I think for like a real, like a good reversal, that's not just like a V bottom recovery. You know, I would want to see us jab lower like one more time, around 600, even lower. But ES is really not doing a whole lot right now. To be honest, ES to me looks it looks like a decent sell. Looks like a decent sell here. Second leg down potential right here. Yeah, I could agree with that. Excuse me, I could agree with that. So let's see. I measured this range already as 200 and how many points? 219. Is that it? 219. 219. So I'm gonna watch here again. I was talking about 50% retracements, but this is the halfway point of the range is 670. So if we do get up there, just want to gauge if sellers are still interested in reloading. What up, Parshoff? How you doing, man? I'm hanging in there. Seriously though, I'm so confused with Take Profit Trader. I was trying to move my last 50K to pro. Now I gotta reach out to their support, which I don't feel optimistic. Their support is slow as hell last I checked. Let's see how long it takes to chat with somebody on Take Profit Trader. Nice job, Parshav. Whatever the opposite of a Jizu is, well, that's a red zone of despair. That's an Arzu. Arzod. They need to hire a bunch of Eddies at Take Profit Trader. Basically, so I don't know if any of you experience this. I passed 5, right? I go to like activate them, and I had an old 100K that was still like in my pro section, and I think you can only have 5 at a time. So like I tried to activate it and it said like failed or whatever. I'm like, oh, okay, weird. And then I saw, okay, oh, there's 100K there. Let me cancel that, disable it. But now I can't reactivate my old 50K. Like it's there, but it just says disabled, and that's it. It's crazy. So I don't know. All right, here's this the next leg down that Miguel talked about, and that I said we want a reversal. I would like to see us test 600s and even a little bit lower. So let's see if that actually happens or if it's just straight up new lows on day here. ES is tagging its lows right now. Nice sell orders there. $600. Looking a little heavy here. Nice job, Blue Pack. Legs it up 2K on paper. This on paper so much easier, man. No, I haven't heard of that guy. Marsha. This is what I was looking at for a higher low here. See if we can actually have a real reversal, but everything else just looks, I don't know. The 5-minute looks a little heavy. 15-minute, bit of a doji. A longer upper wick there. Feel a little torn on it. It's tempting to want a long reclaim of that 600. The green zone, that's a green zone of opportunity, man. Just scroll back. It's essentially resistance turns to some support, and then I was looking. We had this consolidation in here yesterday into close there, so just been watching that. Tried it for a long earlier, off the open. Obviously didn't work out. Selling was too strong. Okay. See if we can get that little bounce I talked about here. Personally, I'd rather see the bounce here, but it doesn't matter what I want. Is ES leading or NQ? Well, NQ is the one with relative weakness going into it, and it's red on the day. ES is still green on the day. But right now, ES is at its lows, and Nasdaq's a little bit off of them. So there's a little rotation there going on in the morning here. Hello, Father. How's your trading month going so far? Thanks for checking in, Pops. Pretty good. Some good, some bad. Overall, I think it's been solid lately, except for yesterday. Exit, I feel you, man. I think here's what I'm working on. I think that the solution is going to sound stupid. I think the solution is to not try so hard, because I've been beating myself up over gotta get a big payout, gotta do this, and it just makes it so much harder. I think you gotta not put so much pressure on yourself, because that's what I've been doing and it's not working. Trying to be more just go with the flow, you know. Here's what my wife told me to do. She's like, picture I think she said something like this, picture your older self. Maybe you're 80 years old, maybe you're 40, whatever. Picture you your older self sitting in the back of the room just watching you. You know how it's going to turn out. You're 80 years, you're not worried about it at all. And you're seeing your younger self just beating yourself up dude, it's okay, man. You're going to be all right. You know what I'm saying? That's what I've been trying to do, and I feel like it helps me. Is just think this is just one day in my entire life. It's not, nothing I do today is going to make or break, nothing I do clicking buttons in front of the chart is going to make or break me today. And it's just just try to become zen about it, just be and I'm saying it because this is exactly what I've been doing this week. It's been hard. Last week too. It's just trying to adjust the mindset so it's not so much pressure attached to it. Because you get miserable trying to get results trading. You can really just have the worst time about it. But then just again, zoom out of your life a little bit, and I think, if you think your 80-year-old self is just yeah, beat yourself up. You are a dumbass. You shouldn't have done that. You should have, you should have taken No, he's like, what would you tell yourself? You go back in time and be like, dude, don't be so hard on yourself. Just like your younger self now, if you were to go talk to your younger self who's trying to do whatever he's trying to do and bringing, you know, a 6-year-old self to tears trying to make a basket or, you know, build this or whatever. You're just like, dude, it's okay, man. You're all right. It's all just part of your life's journey, you know? That's what I'm trying to do. Maybe it'll help you too. Well, I didn't really want to see this goofing off here. Yeah, I totally get it though. Like, I'm hard on myself too. I expect a lot from myself, and when I don't do well, and my wife's like, I hate to see you're like making yourself miserable. Like, you know, just don't. Yeah, you got to be a friend to yourself. Yeah. Like, if I call up my best friend who's not into trading and I tell him about it, he's just like, oh, sorry, man. He's not like, you dumbass. You suck at trading, dude. Oh, I can't believe you did that mistake again. No, they're just nice. They're compassionate, you know? And you got to be that to yourself. I got to be that to myself. But trading will break you like that, you know? I'm curious, how many how much how many customer support employees do you think work at Take Profit Trader? Like 2? 1? 1/2? Eddie's part-time job? No, he'd be able to do it better. I tell you what, man. Oof. There's some selling there on ES. Let's see if they get the follow through. What are you using for the heat map? I'm using Edge Pro X. Just comes with it. All right. I'm gonna try the short here, see if I can get a little push. Come on, want that follow through quick. Don't want it to bounce against me. No, not what I want. I'm not giving it a long leash here. I wanted that follow through quick and I didn't get it, so I'm out. What up, Chris? Yeah, I was looking for that sell block that we just ate through. I want to see us follow through it. Instead, we just kind of absorbed right here, which is not what I want to see. Maybe I'm a little impatient with it, but to be honest, I don't have a lot of drawdown left in these accounts. I had a bad day yesterday. What broker is this? This is Funded Futures Network. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is crazy, bro. They just made stacks off Lanto. I mean, I think they can afford to hire a few more people. Know what I mean? Well, Rhythmics is just a data feed. It's not a broker. Like when someone says what brokers is, they could be asking about the platform and just not, not really be sure what they're talking about. I don't think they're asking about data feed though. Maybe. well, Funded Futures Network is acting as the broker with all these prop firms. They're the ones that would, you'd get a statement from if they were doing statements, right? Rhythmic's not going to send you any statement. You can't sign up for a Rhythmic account as a customer, right? You can't deposit money with Rhythmic that I know of. Maybe they are a broker. Maybe I'll take that back. I think you're supposed to use introducing broker. Edge, clear, amp, whatever, right? I don't know. Okay. All right, I'll take it back. Okay, so some absorption there, and then we got the bounce, so that's why I wanted to see that flush happen if it didn't work. I'm out. Yeah, that's true. I guess they do route your orders. Yeah, okay. Red doesn't necessarily mean shorts on the heat map. Absolutely. That's the whole thing is it's like order flow can be a little confusing because it could be people not shorting but exiting a sell position or exiting a long position. But when there's like the aggression, that's what we care about. Which side's the aggressor? Still okay seeing a flush here. Look at ES, man. It's just been trapped at the lows there. What's up, Botan? How you doing? You're forgetting about the money amounts. The Carmine video helped me. Nice. Which one? Is it one of the recent ones?
Let me show you something.
I would like to see ES get the drop there. Any good trades today? Nah. All losses, man. All losses. Oh, no. I guess I had one that was... I scaled out of... I scaled a couple out of, and the rest were break even, so it was a small win. But not really getting what I want just yet. So, chop around 600. Looking for that drop. What's up, Blue Hand? It's going all right. I mean, trading wise, not really getting anything, but it's all right. I mean, partially, we all got the same amount of hours in a day, though, you know? But I guess if your evenings are spent trading, I mean, maybe that just frees up the rest of your day. Like, I hate that. I wish, like, what I like about the West Coast time zone here is that, like, the market closes at 1 p.m. And so it's like, you know, when the market's open and I'm at my desk, a lot of times I find it distracting when I'm trying to do work. So I do kind of, I don't know. It would be nice if, you know, the market would just freaking leave me alone. I'd like close every chart I have, you know. If I have like one chart open on one monitor, I'm like kind of I'm like, oh, is that interesting yet? So yeah, I guess it kind of get in your way a little bit. All right, there's this, there's a move. Let's see if NASDAQ can put new lows in. I haven't looked at her cycles in a long time, dude. You hear if you smoke a fat joint, it helps your trading. I doubt it. There's new lows on NASDAQ. All right, 500 would be my next area, probably 500. Maybe even above 500, but let's see if we get some juice here to the downside. It's kind of what I wanted to see happen right when I entered short there. We had one more spike up in store, obviously. I wasn't able to... I didn't want to stay in for it. I could have stayed in for it, but I didn't. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lock out of tick. Made 325 on that drop there on 10 accounts. That's day one now of 10 ticks. Tick. Oh man, Take Profit Trader is so goofy ass, man. They need to hire some fucking people. God damn. All right, here's a nice retest of the lows. More sellers. Looking at I have 20 right now, all 50Ks. But I got to be careful here. My funded futures ones are dangerously close to going bye-bye. Really got to get good entries on these. I have set a lock on each one. Thanks, Parshav. Yes, that was important. That's what effed me up last time. All right. I don't know about this one. Come on. Come on. Just a retest of the break and retest here. That's just all I want to see. Gonna play out without putting me in any drawdown, really. Please give me one here. Business idea for you, Dan. Hire a team of customer support contractors and go to businesses who need them. You already did all the outsourcing. Yeah, but don't they want to like train them their own way and do all the teach them all their rules? Like Eddie had to go through all this into orientation and whatnot. It's gonna get me. Fuck, bro. I don't think there's much left on these My Fun Features accounts, guys. I lost 1,400 yesterday, which sucked ass. Maximum loss is 48.9, and I'm at 4,900. I have like $100 left. It's a huge bummer. Just I haven't been able to catch anything today on these. You know, like just every trade is just not really. Either I'm not giving it the room it needs, or it's just a wrong idea. Yeah, I'm not trying to go in the customer service business, though, you know? There's a lot of boring businesses that make a ton of money. I'm not interested in those. I'm interested in trading, right? I'm barely interested in making YouTube videos. I made like 4 videos this year. Okay, so this might be the sweep lower we need to move higher to VWAP. I gotta size down even more. It sucks because, you know, being in the hole 427 and having to size down just makes it feel like it's gonna take a while to dig yourself out, so it can be a little bit disheartening. That's right, Parchi. See, I can call my friends Parchi, so if you want to be friend status, you gotta take the nickname that comes with it. If you have 10K above the buffer zone on Take Profit Trader, can you lose, let's say, 5K in one trade because of the intraday drawdown? Yeah. Right? Let me think about it for a second before I give you an official answer. So your drawdowns will be locked. I don't think there's any other loss limit after that, so I think you're good. See, Parshav, if you acted like you didn't care about that nickname, it wouldn't stick. It's only because you care about it that it sticks. And because the mods are bullies. I mean, that's facts. But the secret is, unless it's, obscene, you really only get a nickname if people like you, right? My first job when I was working at this recording studio out of college, I was like the bottom of the totem pole of the low totem pole already. And, there's like I was one of the runners. There's like eight of us or something. And near the end, this one guy started giving me a nickname. He called me like Boots or something. I don't know. He's kind of making fun of me. I don't know. I didn't even wear boots. I don't get it. But he's just like, he said something like, why didn't, we didn't give you a nickname before because we didn't really like you or something like that. And I was like, okay. It's like, you're accepted, right? Even if it's a nickname you don't like, you're just like, well, they probably wouldn't do it if they hated me. Well, I'm not loving this. Still on hold here with Take Profit Trader, as in talking to the AI bot, seeing if there are any humans around. Boots like from Dora the Explorer? Maybe. I'm the map. Let's see if this downtrend just stays intact here. No reason to get long yet. Let's see, in case you need the visual. Downtrend's intact. I'm not a decorated vet. I take my dogs to a decorated vet. A lot of diplomas on that wall. You guys want to do a giveaway? Let's get the likes up there today. We'll do a Fun and Feature Network giveaway. Were you eating crayons at the studio? No, but I was huffing Sharpies. I kid you not. We had to... This was a nice studio, right? And so we literally had to make sure each studio was stocked with Sharpies of every different color, blah, blah, blah. You have to go in there and count each marker and then fill it up if, fill anything that was missing. So, definitely sniffing those Sharpies. Rachel says 500 likes. All right, chat, let's get up to 500 likes. Do a giveaway. We'll give away one account. If we get up to 500 likes on this stream, I would give away every coupon code I have in my Excel spreadsheet. Rachel, she takes my goal and she 10x's it, okay? She's like a Grant Cardone guru. She's like, that's your goal? 10x it. You want 50 likes? 500. Okay, no. For reals, 80 likes. We'll give away 2 accounts. 80 likes. Call your mom. Yep, have her like the stream. She probably already did. You were saving the leg? Oh my gosh, Kevin, you conniving, devious man. Why do I buy Whole Foods? Isn't that Aziz Ansari's pickup line in Master of None? Do I want anything? I don't know. I think I'm good. Yeah, you can DM me, Parshov. Dude, your woman watching your stream while she's running errands is peak. You know, she's my biggest fan. Also, maybe it's faster than her texting me. I think she just wants to see if I'm red or green on the day so she knows what kind of mood to expect me in. Oh, Grizz is my biggest fan. Well, it's true. I mean, Rachel does not care when I take my shirt off at all, so... What up, Frostbite? How you doing? Exactly. What's the over-under on us hitting 80 likes for the giveaway? I don't think you guys can do it. That's not even reverse psychology. That's just me being honest. I'm red on a day. About to lose these My Fun Feature accounts. Well, okay. Let's see. Am I actually red on the day? No. Technically not, because Tick Tick Trader I made 300 something bucks times 10 accounts. But I really wanted to get a 5x payout on My Fun Features. It's my white whale. My white whale, that's all. Alright, so again, you know, like I mentioned, downtrend's intact. There's a nice little wick there on the 5 minute from that sweep lower. But other than that, no reason to get long just yet. I want to know why I can't move these windows around. This should be a floating... Like I can't freaking move it. They're locked. Oh, it's not a floating one. That's why. Edit page. Did that not work? I thought that would work. Ah. That worked, I think. Okay. Where is my new docs option? New doc. Why don't I find it? I'm trying to add my account thing so you can see the balance when I'm on that screen. This panel here. The account. I don't know. All right, let's see if we get a continuation now. Sellers, let's see, seems decently aggressive. So, as long as it's not bouncing out of here and they're just getting absorbed, like if we can get that follow through, I think that's good. But let's see if we can get that follow through the downside. Whoops. Where's my bracket, man? I gotta get out of here. Well, come on. Give me a flush here. Can I see a little green, man? A little green? All these trades is like instant drawdown today. Jeez. I don't like it, actually. ES looks like it's putting in that higher low there. Same with NAS. I mean, it's kind of a double bottom here. But this might be it. It's a great long. Would have been a great long. Yeah, for sure. Should just longed it, man. I should inverse myself on days like today. Just can't get it, man. This is all like half size or less, man. It's a lot of losses there on those. It's 48,912. Yeah, they're done. They're done. There's like $10 left. Just one of those days, man. Yesterday, yesterday on stream, I'm like, I don't even have to take a trade today. The price action was kind of shitty. And I got lulled into thinking it was going to be a decent afternoon with the price action, and I got my ass handed to me. It's really fucking annoying. And, like I said, I haven't been able to give these trades room, really. Well, my entries just haven't been there, I guess. So my fun features, these ones didn't work out. But luckily, there's no activation fee, so, it's like $58 times 5 or something. So, it's like taking a loss on your personal account, but you have, this is like four days of investment, more than 4 days. You have several days invested into it. And so then you got to kind of start over, which sucks. I started off good on these accounts, 282 on day one, 620 on day two. And yesterday it was just a oversized loss day. And that's just what I've really been focusing on is getting rid of those days from my trading calendar, So I will have 5 take profit traders. If they ever fucking respond to me, God, hire some fucking support people. I'll have 5 of those and I have the 10 tick ticks. I like the tick ticks because you just gotta make $250 a day and you can get a big payout. $250 a day, 10 days. Eddie just did it. I just got a payout from them. It wasn't times 10, but why do they pretend like they have fucking live chat on Take Profit Trader? Good God. They gotta be in the top, 6 of futures firms? Top 7? You can hire some support people for fucking $15 an hour. It's crazy, man. It's abysmal. Yeah, it was Take Profit Trader that Lanto got their 1.7 million or something. That's live, so they're getting a cut of that. So hire some people. I'm about to fucking knock them down to C tier in my video I'm putting out. Fucking crazy, bro. I don't think they have a Discord. Do they have a Discord? Then they have like a contact form. Contact us. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. Yeah, right. My question for TPT is, I passed 5 accounts. I activated 4 of them. I had a leftover 100K that was taking up a spot. I think you can only have 5 funded. So I disabled it, but now I can't seem to activate the 50K. It just says disabled, and I can't push it into the pro account. So I want them to, I don't know, help me with it, I guess. Tell me what's going on. Downtrend is intact still. Don't forget. In case you're getting any funny ideas. I think 500 makes a great target down here. Might be a choppy move lower. Have you had another pro account on? Yes, I have. I had one. From October 26th was the last day. Don't tell me I can only have 5 in a rolling 30-day period or something. You can only activate 10 in 30 days. Well, I haven't activated 10. This is literally just would be 6. Anthony, I appreciate it. I do appreciate it, man. They should pay you. putting me in a that and the trade state putting me in a sour mood, but they need 500 eddies. Pathetic, dude. I'm not in any trade now. I was putting this on to see if Trade Evade would let me take one more trade because it's so close to the drawdown. I when I was setting up Prop from Gorilla, I messaged them, I think. And they never got back to me. It's crazy, bro. It's so crazy that they don't even bother. They get back to you within 30 minutes, Anthony? I've been sitting on here for like an hour now. I emailed my affiliate manager. Just be like, yo, are you guys gonna fix this anytime soon? Because this is fucked up. All right, let's see if we bottom out here. Looks like we could be. Looks like we could be getting a move out of here. Are we doing a giveaway today or not? Where are we at, chat? I hate that the new backend doesn't show me the amount of likes on the stream. I have to like open up the stream. Oh wait, there it is. 62 likes. We need 80. 80 to do two Funded Features Network giveaways. Anthony, yeah, I guess. I mean, I canceled that. I closed the 100K because it was already, or 150K or whatever it was. I closed it. It was 100K. I closed it because it was already blown, just to see if that was taking up a spot. But now when I go to my like past tests, you know, all my past tests are just like there's no option to like move it to a pro account, you know. So, I don't know. Their back end sucks ass. When did you close that 100K? I closed it this morning, you know, just the same, you know, an hour and a half ago or whatever. New lows there on ES. I'll have to wait till tomorrow. Okay, that's silly, but all right. I could be patient. It's not like I'm having a awesome. It's not like I'm loving this price action. It's not like I'm so disappointed I can't trade this. I'll come tomorrow fresh with five take profit traders. All right, new lows on there on NASDAQ as well. Let's see if we get that jab down to 500 and then the turnaround. Maybe no turnaround today, but let's just see. You know, mine motorway 7. I mean, I decided not to be this morning because I didn't want it to freeze at open. So this is back. This is motorway 6. Yeah, Anthony, they're so slow at updating. It's crazy. They got the worst dashboard, maybe. I think Apex might have a better dashboard than them, and that's saying something. Yeah, 7's not ready yet, in my opinion. Needs more, they gotta fix that opening freeze there. Definitely. All right, so looking to see if we get a little bounce here, but selling's been pretty consistent all morning. This is a good level to watch, though. You know, if you look at the bigger picture, we have where's my PDL and stuff? We have yesterday's lows here. I don't know why I don't see PDL and stuff here. There's PDL. PDL's right down there. So if we do get that push under 500, sweep a PDL into my green zone of opportunity there. It's a Jizu. It's a classic Jizu pattern. Just fucking around. So let's see for the break of 500 into PDL. Potential move there. Little bounce. Something like that. How about those drawings? You like those? I've used Project X. Yeah, I did it this morning on TickTick. I set my personal daily loss limit to $500 on all 10 accounts. And I locked out for the day after making $312 or whatever it was. Draw fib on yesterday's daily wick. Just like clockwork. Well, I love a fib, so I'll go ahead and do it. I mean, I like 50% retracements. I don't care about fibs in general other than that. So yesterday's wick, what are you saying to do the fib on though? The entire range or what? Like wick to wick on the daily or what? Yeah, Tyler, definitely. See, that was my downfall last time on those TickTicks, is I was freaking lazy, man, and I didn't go through each account and do the personal daily loss limit. And that was my downfall. So All right. Yeah, exactly. Well, here's 500. So it was a slow move to 500. I mentioned after the initial drop at 600, I was like, maybe we'll get a quick move to 500. No, we got a very slow move to 500, but it did happen. What's up, William Stocks? How you doing? Can I call you Bill? Bill Stocks? Trades today, not so great. Just they aren't hitting. See if we get a little retest here. This is a good bounce spot in general, but you know, if there's more downside, more selling pressure. Let's see if anywhere, you know, around here offers more selling. Nice job. 234 with 1 micro. That's a nice that's a very nice trade. That's 117 points, right? Is that good math? 117 points. Well, back in the day, Parshov, they would nicknames rhymed. So, Richard, Rick, Dick. That's how they got that nickname, Dick, for Richard. William, Will, Bill. I don't know why they did rhyming ones, but they did. Doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make sense to me, but that's what it is. How about that shit? That's some good Crayola shit right there. Ellipse to ellipse, baby. Now, if only I can make money off of it. I'm gonna try one more trade, just like a sniper. 1 mini. Get 0 drawdown. I could try something like that here. And that's about all I'll have left in this. I don't even know if it might just exit me instantly. Something like that, but 69 likes, hell yeah. We could do better than that though. 11 more. Let's do we'll do 2 giveaways. Give away 2 accounts. No marbles involved. Pump it up. Let's get to 100 likes. I like that. I like that, Bill. Bill Stocks. Oh, Billy the Stock Kid. Let's go. Just a few more. We can do it, guys. I know you guys are so withholding on hitting the thumbs up button. I don't endorse this stream. I'm not sure I like this guy. Just, you know, it's a free giveaway. You don't have to tell anybody that you liked it. 0 drawdown. 0 drawdown. Nah, I think it just exited me instantly on that one. All right. Motherfucker, man. NASDAQ. NASDAQ's pretty much all I trade. All right, let's see if we break this downtrend here. It was a nice move to 500. What's up, Molly? Doing? I'm doing all right. Wish Take Profit Trader would get back to me, but they don't want to. They don't want to talk to me, bro. How's trading been going? It's been going, generally speaking, it's been going all right. Five like Swift from doing giving away 2 Funded Future Network accounts. Hit the thumbs up button if you want to trigger that giveaway. Let's do it. Let's do it. $5K par shove. Oh, not 3 likes. Guys, I don't want to stick around forever, man. If you want to do this giveaway, let's do it. Like, let's stop playing games here. Hit the thumbs up button so I don't have to stick around till 11 a.m. I want to do other stuff with my day. Gotta work on propfromgorilla.com. So just go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. You're gonna hit it. I know 3 of you are gonna hit it, so just go ahead and hit it. We can do the giveaway and I can go home. One more, come on, one more. Pulling teeth. Please let me give you an account away for free, please. It would make me so happy if I could give you this. Go home, you are home. Yeah, well, whatever. All right. Congratulations, chat. You did it. Against all odds. Okay. All right. Let's set this up. Member bonus. If you're a member of the channel, you're going to get, we'll do 4x this time. 4 times the chance of you winning. You're a member. Okay, what else do I need to do to set this thing up? I think that's it. Okay. Okay, chat, you ready for this? Ten minutes on the clock. We're going to pick 2 winners this time. 2 winners. Funded Features Network. Guess what? You get a free Edge Pro X license with Funded Features Network. Pretty sick. You could save money not paying for Bookmap, not paying for Edge Pro X itself. It's pretty cool. And get in there if you're a member too. Make sure you get you're gonna get 4 tickets if you're a member. Five tickets. Sorry, 5 tickets. You get 4 extra tickets. $12x the chance to win if you're married to you. Hey, no, that would be unethical. I would never do such a thing. Where are you targeting? 600. How come Top Step isn't on there? Because they don't want to be. Their choice. They don't want to be. No, not if you want to marry me. If you actually do marry me. All right. Nice lawn here. Caught it on the features desk account, which should give me my base hit for the day. Ooh. Come on. Give me the fill. Ticked just before it. There it is. Nice. Gonna be done with the features desk for the day. Log me out. Does Edge Pro X have Bookmap? They have their own order flow heat map. This is what it looks like. It's just like Bookmap essentially. So you don't need Bookmap. About 5 minutes left on the raffle here. We only have 31 people in. We got 80 of you like the stream. And there's 106, 105 people in here now. All I have to do is type in ! gorilla. I saw Dow hit the upper trend line there that has been pulled back to. I mean, Dow pretty much just pulled back to VWAP today. Spiked up, pulled back to VWAP. Now it's just bull flagging. Well, that's not how you spell Gorilla Mall. You should know how to type, because you're always going to profitfromgorilla.com. You should know how to type it in real good. Almost small. You're almost there. Alright, Parsha, I'll catch you later, man. Thinking about trading my personal account again. Thinking about taking my options account and just moving it to a larger futures account. So I'm thinking about doing. Kind of sick of prop firms. What's up, Froggy? Almost, Maul. You're almost there. Exclamation point goes first. I assume you're trolling, but maybe not. Maybe you're earnestly trying to enter the giveaway. You copy your personal props. Yeah, that's what I might do. How about that? Friggin', I deleted the ellipse, but that was a perfect bounce there at 500 to 600. That was an easy 100 points. So not easy, but it's been it was 100 points and it was fast, pretty fast. I don't know what AHI means though. Air helium intake. I don't know, man. All right, minute and a half left if you want to join this here raffle now. See? We have 2 funded Future Network accounts we're giving away, you see? Oh, it's how many disruptions you have? Okay. Is that good? That seems really good. It seems like you're in a coma practically. Exclamation point Gorilla Muhammad. Just look at the Daniel and Keep Trades account there, posting comments. It tells you what to do. It says type exclamation point Gorilla in chat to be entered to win. You got about 50 seconds to do it. There's like no members in here today. Vinny's in here, but Anthony. There's very few members, but they would get 5 tickets as opposed to everyone else's 1. So 5x the odds of winning. Did you get hacked or you really... It's not hacked. It's fake accounts, man. This has been going on for years. I don't reach out to people. Why would I reach out to you? I don't. I like you, but I'm not going to reach out to you. It's just a fake account. There's going to be a typo in the handle. It's been happening for years. I have a pinned post on my profile. Please don't get scammed. I won't initiate a DM with you on Twitter. Block and report fake accounts. Yeah, I'm not reaching out to people. I don't want to manage your money. I don't want you to send me money. I just want you to use code Dan or Gorilla when you sign up for a prop firm. That's all I want. Bro, do you still care about taking photos? Since I started trading, I don't pick up my camera anymore. I mean, I don't really go out and shoot very often. I'm not doing a lot of it, to be honest with you. I'm more passionate about trading right now. I still like photography, but I'm not as passionate about it right now. So you didn't get that 10K I just sent you? The way Daniel and I met is he reached out to me on the internet, so he might reach out to you. That's false. That is false. You reached out to me. You added me on Facebook. Doesn't matter why, but you did. All right, I think the raffle's over, right? Let's find 2 winners, shall we? Only losers entered. Oh, there's a bunch of losers in here. This is gonna be hard to pick a winner. Okay, 41 of you are in. Let's find out who the first winner is. Crub, I don't know you, but congratulations, Crub. Message me on Discord, DM me, Crub, and also respond here in chat so I know that you're still here. And I'll send you the code for Funded Futures Network. You can do a 50K Express or Standard evaluation. All right, Crub, cool. Can you DM me on Discord? Exclamation point Discord if you're not in there already. Click the link to join, then just send me a DM, and I'll send you the code. Okay, let's pick the second one. All right, second winner is Jacob. I think Jacob won a few days ago, didn't he? Congrats, Jacob. And newly modded Jacob. Didn't you win recently? Nice, man. It was a while back, but yeah, second one. Okay, nice. Well, Jacob, you already know the drill. Then send me that DM on Discord. Congratulations to you both. Funded Futures Network. Rigged up.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Oh, man. All right, Jacob got it. Crub, did you mess with me yet, Crub? Oh, there's a Crub. All right, cool. Your code is... All right, congrats to the giveaway winners. Thanks for hanging out with me today on stream. Hope you were able to get a little bit of a bag today. If not, no worries. We'll get after it tomorrow for Thursday stream. Another session. So yeah. How about this? You have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.